Donald Trump is forced to leave the presidential campaign trail and take a seat in the courtroom yet again. The former president faces criminal charges related to a $130,000 payment from his attorney Michael Cohen to a former porn star Stormy Daniels shortly before the 2016 election. The prosecutors argue the payment was made to silence her about an alleged sexual encounter with Trump, who was married at the time. He is accused of falsely categorizing these payments as legal expenses in his financial reports.
Under New York state law, it is a felony to falsify business records with intent to defraud and an intent to conceal another crime. That is exactly what this case is about. 34 false statements made to cover up other crimes. These are felony crimes in New York State, no matter who you are.
Trump has pleaded not guilty to all charges and claims this is a politically motivated case.
It's a shame. It's a shame what's happening to our country. This is election interference. They are doing things that have never been done in this country before.
Trump's return to the courtroom has stirred fresh debate among New Yorkers, with opinions sharply divided on the upcoming trial.
President Trump is a citizen just like everyone else, or a resident just like everyone else in the United States. He's subject to the same laws and responsibilities as we all are.
Actually, nobody else would have been charged. It's only Trump that's getting charged for something that never happened.
Former New York City prosecutor Bernarda Villalona says Trump faces 34 counts of falsifying business records.
He faces a maximum of 4 years in jail per count. But also, there's no mandatory minimums. Will he go to jail here in New York State? I highly doubt it, that even with going to trial, that a judge will sentence him to jail.
New York University law professor Richard Pildes says this trial is historic.
It's certainly unprecedented in American history for a former president to be criminally prosecuted. There have been prosecutions, successful criminal prosecutions in some countries of former prime ministers. So it's not unprecedented in a kind of a global perspective, but certainly in the United States, we've never been in a situation like this before.
As the former president mounts his defense against these charges, observers watch and await the outcome. Aron Ranen, VOA News, New York City.